Hello, hello. Tashina Gonzalez back here with Vida Activa and here to repeat everything that I said and a little bit more for my monolingual friends out there. And today we are talking about, are your home care products killing you? So I found a very interesting article from the American Lung Association. And one of the little advertisements that we had was talking about Thieves is the new black, which I thought was like kind of funny and kind of cute. So we're going to start with that. So as usual, as you come on here, please let me know what city or state you are checking in from. If you are watching the replay, whether it's here or on YouTube, then please hashtag replay in the comments. But let me share with you this amazing information that I got from the American Lung Association. So it's under healthy air, indoor air pollutants and health. So it's talking about cleaning supplies and household chemicals. So it mentions that cleaning is essential to protecting our health in our homes, schools, and workplaces. However, household and cleaning products, including soaps, polishes, and grooming supplies, often include harmful chemicals. Even products advertised as green or natural may contain ingredients that can cause health problems. Some cleaning supplies can even be flammable or corrosive. Fortunately, you can limit your exposure to those risks. Read all labels and follow instructions when using cleaning products. It could save your life. That's how serious it is, guys. It could save your life. So, how can cleaning supplies, household products affect health? Many cleaning supplies or household products can irritate your eyes, your throat, cause headaches. Do you know anyone that suffers from migraines? I see people on my timeline all the time that suffer from migraines. Could be some of the stuff that they're using in their home, and other health problems, including cancer. Some products release dangerous chemicals, including volatile organic compounds, or VOCs. Other harmful ingredients include ammonia and bleach. Do not use ammonia or bleach. Even natural fragrances can sometimes react and produce dangerous pollutants indoors. VOCs and other chemicals released when using cleaning supplies contribute to chronic respiratory problems, allergic reactions, and headaches, all of which I suffered from, and I used to be the person that always had all the different types of cleaning products, had their bleach, and some of the other things that they're going to mention in this article. So, studies are underway to assess how these chemicals affect people who have asthma and other respiratory illnesses, but past studies link exposure to chemicals from cleaning supplies to occupational asthma and other respiratory illnesses. So, cleaning supplies and household products containing VOCs and other toxic substances can include, but are not limited to, aerosol spray products, including health, beauty, and cleaning products, air fresheners, chlorine bleach, detergent and dishwashing liquid, dry cleaning chemicals, rug and upholstery cleaners, furniture and floor polish, and oven cleaners. Never mix bleach or any bleach-containing product with any cleaner containing ammonia. The gases created from this combination can lead to chronic breathing problems and even death. So don't use bleach or ammonia. Definitely don't use them together. So how can you prevent harm from cleaning and household products? Read all labels and cleaning supplies and household products before you buy them. Choose products that do not contain or have reduced amounts of VOCs, fragrances, irritants, and flammable ingredients. Avoid using air fresheners altogether. Avoid them. Manufacturers are not obligated by U.S. law to list all ingredients in consumer products. Products that are labeled green do not necessarily mean they are safer. Do a little research on the product from a reliable source. For example, the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency has a list of products that meet their safer choice requirements, or you can check them on the Environmental Working Group Organization website or ewg.org. As a safer cleaning alternative, warm water and soap sometimes does the trick. Baking soda is good for scrubbing, and a mix of vinegar and water can clean glass, but remember, vinegar does not disinfect. When using cleaning or household products, keep the area well ventilated. Open windows and doors. Never use cleaning products in a small enclosed space. Or make sure that you switch over to a plant-based, all-natural, good for you, helps your immune system, cleaning. And with that, I will get into all of the deals that we have coming up. So Black Friday is here. And I want to make sure that you guys know all the deals that we have going on. Well, not all of them. I'm not going to name them all off, but I want to send you looking for them. You can find some of them in my stories. But I want you to know some of the deals that we have going on in different regions. And that's the Thieves is the New Black. So if for all my friends that are in Canada, make sure that this is an opportunity for you to detox your home, because what we have in Canada is our Thieves products are what is on sale for you all. So if you have been thinking about starting your health and wellness journey, or if you're on your health and wellness journey and you have not detoxed your home yet, and you suffer from respiratory issues or headaches or things of that nature, now's the time for you to do that. Then for my friends in Europe, you guys have some amazing deals as well. There's a bunch of supplements and lots of oils. And so we talked about not using aerosols whatsoever because of how contaminating it is. So you got to replace those aerosols with some diffusers. So there's a diffuser on sale there, tons of essential oils for you to fill that need for yourself. My friends in South Africa, you guys also have some diffusers on sale and some products. You do have Thieves. Everyone has Thieves on sale, and everyone needs Thieves because Thieves is the new black. And then all of my friends here in the United States. So some of the things that we have are diffusers. I don't know if I'm going to be able to, I don't think you're going to be able to see this. I have one of my diffusers here. Maybe I can make you see the smoke. But I have the black lantern. I'm actually using it. It's plugged up right now. So, and I don't want to unplug it. So our lantern diffuser is one of the ones that's on sale. And that actually comes with a oil blend that has not been available since 2012 called Sacred Angel. So that comes with myrrh, black spruce, rose. That's the blend has this in it. Ylang ylang, sacred sandalwood, geranium, camphor wood, coriander, hyssop, melissa, and angelica. So this is only available on Black Friday, and it will also come with Sacred Mountain. That bundle comes with Sacred Mountain. So that's one of the things you should get. There's all types of bundles. There's some roll-on bundles that we got, so you can get some of our amazing roll-ons. There are lots of classic essential oils that are on sale, like lavender and lemon and peppermint and citrus fresh, and of course Thieves, cedarwood, digest, tea tree, bergamot, stress away, pan away, orange, tons of just classic essential oils for you to use for scenting your home. Then we also have our CBD has a bundle with our Calm and our Muscle Rub. And then we have some new ones that have been re-released, such as Soothe. So this particular one is actually infused with, I think this is the one that has breathe again with CBD, basically is what that one is. And then we have some blends that were only available for like 2 hours last year in 2018, like Evergreen Essence. So I have a bottle of Evergreen Essence. I traded to get this when I was on the cruise. So another region that still had it, or somebody that had an extra, I traded something that I had to get me some Evergreen Essence. So I do have this. So this has in it Idaho blue spruce, ponderosa pine, red fir, western red cedarwood, white fir, black pine, pinyon pine, and lodgepole pine. I'm not sure who got this to me, but like I think most of it is actually in French or something on here, and then it says it in English afterwards. And then there's another one, White Light, which I don't have, which I'm going to get, and that is a blend of a bunch of trees that are white in nature. This one's trees that are green in nature. So no matter where you are, United States, Canada, Europe, South Africa, you got some amazing deals. The most important thing is that you have an opportunity to get Thieves in your life, whether it's the Thieves essential oil that is going to be amazing for boosting your immune system, or the Thieves products that are available in Canada, where you can detox your home and make sure that you minimize the respiratory issues that you can have. So with that, I'm going to close this out. Again, as you hop on here, please give me a wave. Please give me a hi. Please hashtag replay if you're watching the replay, and let me know where you are hailing from. And if you know anyone that suffers from headaches on a regular basis, if you know anyone that has respiratory issues, who gets sick the entire winter and can't get rid of it, if they have lots of allergies, like I used to for the majority of my life, please share this video with them so they can understand that there may be a lot of things that they can do to minimize that. If they take some of these toxins out of their house, they can breathe easier, they can have less incidence of headaches, and they can live better. And let's get them, they don't have to give up their scents. They can replace it with plant-based, all-natural things like a diffuser and essential oils. And they don't have to give up having a clean house. We can get them plant-based, healthy, good for you cleaning products in their home. So thank you so much for joining me. If someone has shared this video with you and you have any questions, please get back with the person that shared this with you. And if you had not yet done so, please follow me on YouTube. If you happen to be watching the replay on YouTube, make sure that you hit subscribe and click the bell to get notifications. And with that, I thank everyone for joining me today, and I will see you later. Have an amazing evening. Bye, guys.